Hey guys, it's Incredible Funk, slapping on your hearts like slick bass from the 70s. We've got another unboxing video. This time we'll be unboxing the JBL Flip 4. The last JBL unboxing we did was for JBL's E65 Bluetooth noise cancellation headset. So this time let's try out the Flip 4. Let's get the Zed trusty knife again. Cut. Ooh, it's magnetic. Ooh. Looking at this, doesn't it want to make you look like you want to join in and just throw color at everybody? And just have paint color all over you and in your hair and everything? No, okay. Let's get back to the task at hand. Alright, so what do we got here? I don't know, we'll leave that off to the side and let's get straight to the Flip 4. Ooh, you already got a daisy strap to it. It's not bad. It's honestly about the size of an energy drink can. It's not too heavy either. JBL's logo right there. Bluetooth, volume down, volume up, and your play button. Up top next to the daisy strap, you've got your power button with your battery indicator. You've got your Connect Plus button, and then you got your flap, which is gonna be home to your auxiliary port and a charging port, which is also micro USB. The sides, you've got your radiator amps. I think I said that right. We'll set that right there. What else? Thing sits nice and comfy in here. It's cushiony. Alright, so that's the only last thing in here. Let's see what's in this tiny box first. Once again, another orange micro USB cable. You're still really not gonna lose this. In this one, you've got, looks like paperwork. I was right. With the paperwork comes your quick starter guide, Google Play Music, which I believe in all the Flip 4s, you get a 3-month Google Play Music subscription. After that, you'll be paying for it. Booklet no one really reads. And another booklet that no one's really gonna read. So. Now the Flip 4 does have IPX7 rating, so you are able to have it at a pool or get any kind of water, rain, or liquids in general off of it. And conveniently, I have a bowl of water and a cup of water, so I can show you guys this cool thing. So let's pair the Flip 4 with my phone. JBL Flip 4. And it's already connected. You guys hear that? That's pretty good. So hopefully you guys were able to see that. If not, I did my best. So battery life on the Flip 4, you get up to 12 hours, which is not that bad. So if you do plan on going on a long trip or you're camping for 3 days, battery life is gonna last you a pretty good while, especially if you're not using it that much. From listening to a little bit of that song during the water show, it sounded pretty good. The bass was there, it just needs to be a little bit deeper, but it's no big deal for me and I doubt it will be for anybody else. Mids were there, the highs were there too. They were actually pretty good. I thoroughly enjoyed the sound overall, but of course I'm gonna listen to this more and see how it fares out. One thing that's really cool with newer JBL speakers is the Connect Plus button. You can connect up to, honestly, any amount of speakers. Right now, JBL has connected 1,000 speakers all together playing one song, and that's pretty amazing. And they hold a Guinness Book World Record of that. Another thing with the Flip 4, and again with the Connect Plus app, so if you do end up having 2 speakers, you can have a left channel and a right. So if you want to end up having your room filled, put one on one side of the room, put one on the other, and it's all just gonna kind of come in all at once. It's gonna sound fantastic. Like just about any other Bluetooth speaker, you can use this for phone calls. I don't recommend it. I'm sure nobody really wants to hear your phone conversation. And usually with any kind of Bluetooth speaker, the person on the other end can't necessarily hear you as well. But be my guest if you want to try it. Definitely let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll end it on that note. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video of the JBL Flip 4. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Definitely leave a comment. Those are always encouraged. Also hit that subscribe button. If you do want to be notified of when I do post my videos, definitely hit that bell button. Otherwise, everybody, stay incredible.